Lightweight with super powerful suction make cleaning more efficient. Yes, that's the latest handheld cordless vacuum cleaner by Xiaomi, Roidmi F8. Even my 6-year-old boy can do the cleaning now. Thanks to 1.5 kg only in weight. Furthermore, it has the same suction power as Dyson V8, but with half of its price only. Does Roidmi F8 vacuum cleaner really that great? Let's find out together. Roidmi F8 incorporates with a powerful electric DC motor up to 100,000 RPM and able to generate up to 18,500 PA centrifugal air pressure with effective suction power of 115 AW. Yes, powerful suction just like a tornado. In addition, its 270-degree large handle which helps to save effort when cleaning. Of course, don't forget the best part, cordless. Yep, no wire attached. You can clean almost anywhere in your house, car, and so on. Up to 55 minutes max operating time, by the way. Here are all the accessories included in the standard package. I won't cover them one by one over here again. Do refer to my Roidmi F8 unboxing video for details. Learn all their functions and features there. Alright, let's get into the details. It's very simple to use Roidmi F8. Just plug the correct brush or long flat suction head and start your cleaning. As you can see, the modular design is great. Different elements are being used for different usages. You can attach and remove with just single click of the button. Fast and easy as ABC, right? For example, connect sofa suction head to clean sofa, or metal connection roll with carbon fiber brush to clean carpet. Soft brush is loaded with an independent motor which generates powerful torque. 2 types of roller brush for different ground situations. The one attached is carbon fiber brush, by the way. Yes, the large roller brush can deal with complex ground environments. The unique assisted self-driven cleaning functions make it easier to clean the ground. Let's have a look on the Roidmi F8 18,500 PA vacuum power compared to another vacuum, D-Bay C17 7,000 PA. I say both of the cordless vacuum cleaner on their maximum power. Here is what you get from D-Bay C17. It managed to squeeze plastic water bottle a little bit. Let's check out Roidmi F8 then. Wow, that is incredible. The plastic bottle is totally out of shape thanks to the super powerful suction. How loud is Roidmi F8 during operational? On standard 80 watt, I'm getting around 65 dBA and up to 74 dBA on high gear mode. Pretty much the same as the specifications. All of these are possible thanks to multiple noise reduction optimization. Therefore, it is quieter and more comfortable to use. Alright, let's have some real tests. Start with normal daily dust cleaning tasks. I use flour to represent dust that we face usually. As you can see, Roidmi F8 is doing a great job here. It managed to clean most of the flour with just single trip. That saves a lot of the time and effort for sure. How about those larger long leaf? Well, working well as expected too. That's great. Okay, continue to something even heavier. Mung beans. Wow. With just single trip also, Roidmi F8 is able to suck the mung beans as well. Is there anything that it can't handle? Alright, let's make it the hardest test among all. Mung beans on carpet with long fur. The carbon fiber brush managed to clean most of the beans, left some as though stuck deep between the long fur. Haha, super suction power, right? Even my carpet is being picked up as well. Why choose cordless vacuum cleaner? It is much easier to use compared to traditional broom and dustpan, and more effective too. You won't have any hair and dust left behind after vacuum compared to sweep with broom. With Roidmi F8 attached to wall, it is easier to reach and start your cleaning. In addition, the multi-angle brush that rotates flexibly can reach small corners under sofa and bed. For example, cleaning under cupboard with tiny of space. As you can see, it does the job fast and easy. And do check out the LED photosensitive sensor light. It will automatically illuminate the dark corners for you, help you to see all the dirt, hair and fur easily too. A really nice touch, I must say. Clean here and there. Yes, it can be used to clean in a narrow space between washing machine and walls too. The long flat suction head with metal connection rod do the trick easily. And top corner up above the walls. Roidmi F8 does feel heavy when operate this way. So man, please do your work here. Anyhow, it surely managed to clean those spider web on top. For your information, cordless vacuum cleaner is heavy for starter, especially those coming from broom and dustpan. No worry, you will get used to it weight in no time. That's not all. You can also clean keyboard with multifunction brush head. Lovely LED lights, right? Clean the gaps between sofa or use extension soft pipe to clean those untouchable corner and deep places. It is highly flexible and extensible, no doubt. Alright, it's time to clean man most love, car. Again, cordless vacuum is so much easier to use compared to wired one. No need to worry about length of the wire too. Just focus on the cleaning part will do. Roidmi F8 comes with plenty of accessories, help to make the task even easier. Just use the right tool will do. That's it. It's simple and easy to clean the filter. Single click to remove the dust cap. Open the tail cover and then release all the dust will do. After that, pull out the HEPA filter first, followed by the metal strainer. Feel free to use the cleaning brush to clean both of them. They can be cleaned with water as well. Be sure to rinse and dry them before attach back and use. Surprise! There is mobile apps for Roidmi F8. Both iOS and Android are supported. Yup, just connect it through Bluetooth from your phone. By doing so, you can change the standard gear power from 80 watt to 130 watt or even 180 watt. As you can see, battery life is shorter on higher power. Therefore, pick the one that suits you most. From my test, F8 can last for 52 minutes on 80 watt standard gear and 9 minutes on high gear. As usual, you can check the battery life status from LED light on F8 or use Roidmi F8 to do so. Yes, you can upgrade Roidmi F8 firmware as well and check other information like battery, filter, user manual and so on. By the way, Bluetooth range is excellent, up to 7 meters plus with optical light walls. As for charging, it is really fast. It took around 2.5 hours as per specifications, and this makes cleaning faster. If you need to do a second round, Dyson V8 needs around 5 hours to do so. However, Roidmi F8 docking system is not perfect. No simple plug and play to charge here. As you can see, you need to plug in the charger directly to F8. When come to cleaning, you need to unplug the charger first, then remove F8 from wall mount. This is the only limitation that I faced so far. That's pretty much cover everything of this powerful yet budget cordless vacuum cleaner, Roidmi F8. Again, it's light in weight with super powerful suction, come with lots of useful accessories that make cleaning more efficient and easier. It's a long review. Hopefully you all enjoy it. Feel free to drop questions at below and do check out the promotion and buy links too. Thumb up to support me, share it, and subscribe to my channel. I'm Jace, thanks for watching, and I will see you again. Peace.